Peace and love, everybody. This is AI News with AI Erik. And this are prompting lessons, 4 important ones that you need to know when prompt. Number 1, context. Provide background information or additional details that help the AI understand the scenario or task. Example, you are an analysis working for a media company. Number 2, instruction. Clearly define the specific task or action you want the AI to perform. Example, analyze the sentiment of the following customer feedback. Number 3, input data. Supply the necessary data or examples that the AI needs to work with. Example, the customer feedback is, the service was excellent and the staff was very friendly. Number 4, output indicator. Specify the desired format or structure of the response you want from the AI. Example, classify the sentiment as positive, negative, or neutral.
AI News with AI Erik.